Well, if you guys follow us on Instagram, we built a whole new crazy garage. You may know this or not, but I live at home. I moved back like 2 years ago, back after grad school, when I started a new business. I moved back home. My parents moved houses, and I was like, there's 2 dope garage spots. I'm about to cop these for Haugen Racing, because we needed to step our game up. So, without further ado, let's check it out. Oh, baby. All right, I'm too stoked. I don't even know what to do. Let's go around piece by piece. So here, got a YouTube video playing, of course, but this will be kind of like video game station, let's say. So for Xbox and mobile games, we'll be filming them right here with the good old beanbag that you guys like. Over here is just kind of my office setup. So I really wanted this to be like a man cave and kind of a creative space. So like, I got my wakeboard over here from back in the day when I used to wakeboard all the time. Fun fact, I used to do that competitively before drifting, and then, you know, drifting took over my life. So I just want to be surrounded by like cool stuff I like and stuff that inspires me. So when I'm designing merch or, you know, working on videos, whatever it is, I can kind of be in this cool little studio and just kind of has that vibe. So like over in this corner, I put like a bunch of cool shoes that I've collected over the years and just kind of fun other things like helmets, stuff like that. I got this cool little post-it note kind of painting in a way of the R34. Shout out Neapolitan on Instagram for making that for me. I don't even need to explain that. If you know what it is, comment below. But there's some heaters in here. If you guys are sneakerheads yourselves, you might appreciate some of these. Kind of cool. Yeah, I don't know. I'm into all sorts of other stuff besides just cars. I know some of you guys are too, so let me know if there's any other sneakerheads out there and what you guys like. If you're copping any new shoes. All my money's been going into this stuff, so I haven't gotten any new ones lately. This is actually my newest pair. These guys, pretty dope. Pharrell Williams and Adidas. And then, it's crazy neon sign. Somebody actually, I posted this on Instagram story. Sorry, I'm so stoked, and I don't normally vlog, so I'm getting used to this, but they were like, is that for sale? And I was like, I don't know if anybody would actually pay for it. It's really expensive. But I guess, comment below if you guys want me to make neon signs, if you guys would actually buy it. These though, these canvas prints, I got these on sale over New Year's Eve sale. And I am so stoked on how these came out. So if you guys want canvas prints, that is something we could do pretty easily. For all my other hype beasts out there, you may know what that is if you're a hype beast. It's a cool rug I got. That was a recent purchase. Shoes weren't, but I had to get set up for this room. So on the other side, there's a 2-car garage, which is like my parents' garage. I wanted to kind of separate those. So the other cool thing I did in here is kind of brought in a lot of the memorabilia. So if you guys have ever seen on our Instagram story, we didn't really film in there too much, but I had a single car garage where I had the Z normally parked, or the Tacoma, and I kind of had all our trophies and memorabilia set up in there. And so I brought most of that over and displayed it. There's still a little box of some stuff I don't really know what to do with, but this was a really cool thing. So this was the first time I went to a Bisu circuit. Has like a date on it and what tracks were open. So fun fact, when I was out there, Driftland maybe, the translations are kind of weird, but Gymkhana is normally only open, or not normally, it's only open in the winter to like just anybody. In the summer and other times of the year, they use it for training as like a training course, and they call it the Gymkhana course. It's just a regular small drift course, but I was really lucky because I went during the winter. I went over to Tokyo Auto Salon and I actually got to drift the Gymkhana course my first time, which it's a really fun little course, and I've never gotten drifted again because I've always gone outside of winter, which is when you should go to a Bisu, but I just wanted to try it because I was there for Auto Salon. Also got all the different custom license plates I've collected over the years, starting with my 4-wheel drive bag Tundra, the Genesis Coupe, the Z, then the Laurel, Comment below if you guys remember the Laurel. Those are for the OGs. And actually for the O-est of Gs, the originalist of Gs, would be if the Tundra. If you remember the Tundra, comment below. I'll be surprised if any of those guys are watching our YouTube videos. That's like before this was even a thing almost. And then the Haugen R was from my Mustang that I had for like a year. Litcoin's from the Tacoma. HR Bull is from the Lambo. And then HR Tow is on my dad's diesel. I was like, you know what? We're Haugen Racing liverying it out. Liverying, is that even a word? We're putting a livery on it and wheels and tires because you're gonna be driving this thing around. But yeah, so this side is studio. There's something crazy going right here. If you're wondering what this big open space is for, you need to stay tuned because something sick is going there. If you know, comment below. Let them know. Let them know what's going there. So another cool thing is this is my original racing suit. That's what I use like in Pro-Am and stuff. It's pretty standard. I mean, it's a really nice Sparko suit, but it's not all like crazy graphicked out or anything like that. And I didn't really have any major sponsors at that point, so just put Haugen Racing on there. Over on this side is obviously storage for a car. The mini Lambo finally has a home. It's always kind of been just wherever. And then, oh, we got some Nabori flags up here. Some more really cool canvas prints. Before we get to those though, my snowboard. So this thing I still do ride sometime. I haven't gone snowboarding at all this season. But yeah, so back to the canvas prints. Got sweet photo from the R34, the Lambo, and then the Z. I love that photo. So fun fact, all these canvas prints and most of the posters we have for sale are all taken by Astrophoto, who's been a good friend of mine and kind of my photographer for years now. So not a lot of drift competition wins in there. There's first place in Pro-Am. Hoping to, I got some extra space up there. Hoping to throw some drift competition trophies up there. That's not like my main goal necessarily, but we need to have some, right? Back ourselves up. Kind of cool up here though. I got, those are like my original pair of driving shoes. And so I just have driving shoes and gloves that I use throughout the years. And then over here is gonna be kind of the shipping center. I personally do all the shipping and inventory. Most of the merch design, I handle the whole website. I mean, the other boys are busy enough with the stuff they're doing, so I'm getting like a kind of a table set up so I can get really efficient with shipping. As orders are going up and we're growing, you know, it takes more time. So as fast as I can make it, the better. And then all in here, these are all inventory for Haugen Racing. If you guys didn't know, we have a really big like selection of merch. Sweatshirts, we got the anti-Haugen Club sweatshirts. This is black and white. Yeah, we got pink and blue, blue and yellow, red and white. We sold out of the black and pinks. Those are super hot. We sold out of those like way back. But there's like, some of these are like just ones we have a few left. So there's like the red and white. And then even the special edition collab one, I know it's a little bit dark in here, but one large, or one medium, just like floating. So get on that website and get it. Everything we do is limited, but we still stock everything. I don't like doing pre-orders. I don't know, I get it. It is a way to kind of have more products to offer and not have to hold as much in stock, but I like having stuff on hand. So I usually try to ship same day. So if you guys have ordered from us, you know that your order gets fulfilled usually same day, if not for sure the next day. If it doesn't, I usually give you something free. And we got t-shirts in here, all the different new ones. We got a bunch of new stuff coming. We're gonna start doing monthly releases on merch, so that's why these are all empty. Then over here, hats, and then stickers. You guys know I have a huge obsession with stickers. We have enough stickers now that you could stick your car up like I do. These are a bunch of new ones. I know you can barely see those, but that's good. Stay tuned on those. We're gonna have a couple big merch releases coming up. Go check out what we have now if you haven't. We got a lot of cool stuff and it supports us, supports the brand, helps us to keep doing rad stuff. So that's pretty much the garage, guys. You're gonna be seeing a lot of this in videos, and all our video game videos, maybe even some of our reacts. And then I gotta tell you guys what's going on here, but we're building a ridiculous, crazy simulator so I can start playing a bunch of Assetto Corsa, BeamNG, all those sick games, start getting a lot more driving in. Anyways, appreciate all, love you guys. I hope you'll subscribe. This is a different thing for me. I don't really vlog, as you guys know, but I'm gonna start doing some of it. So tell me what I did well, what I did wrong, what you didn't like, what you did like. And yeah, we'll see you guys in a couple days. Peace.